Hey, what up, decisive marketers? One of the best ways to attract backlinks to your website is to make use of infographics. Now, infographics are powerful because it represents your message in a visually pleasing manner and effective manner so that people can understand them faster and more engaged than trying to read a blog post, for example. So infographics are actually, they look kind of like a flyer, I would say, but not really a flyer, but it's meant for you to represent data or your message within the graphic itself, right? Whereas flyers are actually meant for marketing purposes. Okay, so infographics are powerful as well because they are, attractive, and so when you share them out, people start to link to them, easily, right? So today I have a graphic design tool that does just that, right? It helps you to create infographics, and not just infographics, but it also does animation, motion graphics, and you can use it for any other kind of design, such as creating a product catalog, creating postcards, creating resumes, stuff like that. A magazine, for example, this would be suitable for that purpose. You can of course use it just like Canva or Crello as well, but it's meant for creating, much more complex graphics than just a simple graphic designer, right? So before we dive in, right, this tool is called Drawtify. Okay, Drawtify. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. Right, so now let's dive into Drawtify. This is the dashboard where you jump in. You can basically pick a template right here, and these are the template in here. They've got flyers, so you can use it for flyers as well. You can use it for event pages. You can use it for marketing content as well. So those are the stuff that you can use. You can use it for name cards, right? So you've got some graphic infographics right here as well, right? So a lot of stuff here that you can choose from. Okay, so you can also sort by the kind of content that you want to create as well, right? So they've got some really nice ones like this one. Right, so I think this one looks decent. Oops. Okay, so infographic like that. Okay, so top 5 advantages of creating a mind map. So it looks good. I mean, you can try and turn like an article into a infographic. In fact, right? Of course, that's gonna take a little bit of effort, but it seems to. I think it looks interesting, right? So what I'm gonna be doing right now is, of course, you can choose a template and edit it from there, or what you can do is to we're going to be jumping into the editor here. I've got a blank canvas here, okay, and you can see that what I need to do is I can pick some of these infographic content and change them, right? So I can change the data right here, right, and then it changes. Can you see that, right? So so you can change the data, and then it is being represented in here as well. So you have your horizontal bar charts as well, right? So some of these, you've got your pie charts, right? This a pie chart? Oh, sorry, this is a percentage bar chart. Okay, so this is based on percentage. They've got pie charts right here, so this is pie chart. Okay, beautiful looking uh you know design tool, right? I am loving some of these templates right here. This is a sort of a ring base bar chart like that. Okay, very nice, very nice. Let's see what happens if I set this data to this ocean here. Let's change that to 50. And can you see that, like, it adjusts itself on its own? It's really fun to use this. Okay, and then we've got what is this, half ring chart? Okay, and then we've got this line charts as well. So let's say this one. Okay, it's very nice right here. Okay, and then we've got this sort of area charts, right? Scatter charts, a lot of them, right? So funnel charts, gauge. So this 8 gauge will be something like a ring, but it's sort of like a progress style of charts. Okay, very interesting. And then we've got some, I guess, star pictorial bars. Okay, so this will be great as well, like to represent the number of people. Very useful way of representing data. Okay, and then this is pictorial bar as well. So, but it's based on like the person. So that's very interesting. Like, let's say you are talking about like people drinking. So maybe this will be, let's say this is Coca-Cola, and this is Sprite, for example, and then you can have that, right? Okay, and then you got Coca-Cola, Sprite, something like that. So that's very useful. Let's see what else they have. This is key. This is a person. This is, what is this? This is it's looking like not really sure what this is. Okay, and then you got people kind of charts here. This is different kind of charts, female, and then right. So this is money back kind of charts. Really interesting ones right here, right? And then you got radar. Okay, so this will be really nice to like represent yourself. I should do like a infographic of myself, right? So like my skill set, and then I can put something in there. That would be really fun to have. And then what is this? Word cloud. Okay. Oh, this is also interesting. So let me see how this is actually being inputted. Okay, so like maybe you can grab like some of the keywords on your website and put them in here as well to turn them into word cloud, right? So the infographic element is definitely feature rich. So you do, and that is just charts, right? Like you can have pricing table right here. There's so many elements. This tool is just insane. Right, it's just insane. And you have wow, this is just amazing. Okay, so this one right here, right, you got some sort like a flow charts kind of style right here. Okay, matrix analysis, so some kind of table. Okay, so this is really nice. I'm really impressed. uh this one here, like there's so many elements that you can choose from, right, guys? And the customer journey, wow, this is even more amazing. So, right, can you see that? Like this is just amazing. Roadmap. Okay. This one kind of looks like the one that. Wow, this. Okay, so there's a lot of roadmap tools here as well. Just this is just beautiful, right? Um, so this is a roadmap as well. What happens if I lengthen this? No, it's got to be fixed. Okay. Oh, I really like this too. So I think I got to use this a lot more. Um, this is I believe that I can use this not just to create like infographics, but also create like workbooks as well. Like this will be so useful to create workbooks as well. And let's see, education, fishbone. Let's see. Okay, so these are fishbone kind of charts. Sorry, because I'm just having so much fun looking at all this stuff. SWOT. Okay. Right, this will be good for your SWOT analysis. Health and medical. Right. This will be good for like any health-based websites that you can put in those kind of content. This will be your timeline. Really useful as well. I think these are really useful tools to represent a lot of information on your website. What is this? This is processes. Okay. I'm really impressed by the templates that they have right here. Let's move on from infographics, right? Let's look at text. So they've got some of these text kind of fonts. Okay, so you've got shapes in here. So like anything technical, like so all these icons, and they are just really beautiful, right? I would say. I mean, the interface could be improved, I would say, right? But the graphic designer itself is just amazing. So this is text frame, I guess. Okay. Medals. Okay. So some of these, and then we've got page templates as well. So let's see what these are. So these are templates of some ideas in here. Basically, these are the templates that we had earlier, and you can import them in here. So social media, okay. So these are like Facebook events and stuff like that. Instagram. So you can use them just for your normal kind of editor as well. So this is for Tumblr. About LinkedIn. There's Twitch as well. This is nice, right? Your username is stream offline. Please follow. This will be useful when you are off stream, right? Okay. So when I see anything that has to do with Twitch, I get excited. Okay, then you can upload images. They have Unsplash integration in here as well. Can I switch it back? Okay. Okay, because what I want to show you is the background, but because I've got a template right here, I don't think I can show you the background. So can we try and okay, so let's jump back in here and create a blank canvas again. Let's scroll up. Okay, we got blank canvas here, so let me just show you the background, right? So this, like, you can actually click and apply a background, and you can build your graphics above it. Okay, right? So they've got different backgrounds in here, and these are actually from Unsplash as well. I'm going to open up another blank canvas, and you can change, like, I think I got to choose a template probably, and then I'll be able to change, like, the yep. So what happens is that this is like your color template, your color palette. So let's say you have a palette that is of this color, right, which is right here, right? So probably I can choose this color, and then this one I can switch to just, sorry, this is the background, so I got to select these items here and just change the palette, right? So it saves your time when it comes to designing. But what I don't see here is the option for you to add your own palette. So that could be a little bit restricted. So if they allow you to create your own palette in here, then it's going to help you to save time, right? And then you got upload, some tools, so QR codes. Okay, I'm not sure what that QR code does actually. Charts. Okay, so these are just quick items to put in. Yeah, this is just quick items to enter. Shape, so I can add shapes in here as well, right? Arrow, line, I can have a pen. Okay, right, so I can have a pen. Let's see if I can write anything. Nope, doesn't work that way. Okay, and then got pencil, so I can write stuff. Okay, and then of course upload images, and then we got the tools that were in there. And so I guess if I put in, like, okay, so these are all the layers that I have as well. Let's see, so I can click on animator and animate the content. So let's try that. Okay, that's nice, right? That would be interesting. And then I can stop. Okay, so, like, what can I do with this? So I can have different kind of animator in here as well. Let's see what happens if I export. So I can export it as a video. So can you see that? So I could, let's see, if I have a character right here. Let's just close this. Maybe if I add some, like, images of some characters, and then I animate it, and then that's going to be interesting because I can then export it as a video and use it for, like, a background somehow, right? And then there's background removal, image filter, okay, and mask resize. Okay, right, so every single element you can edit it as well. This section, right, so these are shapes, right? So these are like what you can do with Drawtify. I am having fun with this. I think this could really come in handy for my, not just myself, but my design team as well. So I'm definitely going to be sharing this with them. And this is my first time trying this, and I think that my team is definitely going to benefit from this tool itself. So I think that this would be great to add on to your current graphic design tools. For example, Canva or Crello, or let's say Pixelite or maybe Pixlr that you're using, because this uh, comes with a different angle, that is infographics feature, uh, and you can create slightly more um, advanced or different kind of graphics than what you would use Canva for. You could definitely create the same thing, but it is just way faster with something like Drawtify, right? And unfortunately, I don't see a resize option, okay, which I think is fine, because uh, I don't think that this tool is meant for you to do automatic resizing anyway. Um, but otherwise, I think this is a great option. That's all I have to say about Drawtify. I think it's a brilliant, amazing tool. Just that the UI is a little bit more. I think the graphic designer part is okay, but it's a little bit, what do you say, um more, it feels like Times New Roman kind of thing, where it's a little bit more official, like, you know what I mean. I can't think of the right word to describe the UI right now, but otherwise I think it's not new and hip and fast like Crello or Canva, but uh it does, otherwise I think it's fine anyway, right? I think that's all I have to share about Drawtify. If Let me know what you think about Drawtify as well, in the comments, and if you know anyone who could benefit from this too, where you can create infographics, you can create catalogs, you can create magazines, whatever it is, with Drawtify. Okay, be sure to share this video with them. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.